Did you know your body can produce over 1,500 sperm every second? That's more than 90,000 every minute. But how exactly is sperm made? Where does the process start? And how does it all come together? In this video, we'll break down the top 10 fascinating facts about how sperm is created, from hormones to cells, to the incredible journey sperm takes before it's even ready to do its job. Stick around. You'll be amazed at how much is going on inside your body without you even knowing. 1. It starts in the brain. The creation of sperm actually begins in your brain. The hypothalamus sends a signal to the pituitary gland, which then releases two important hormones, LH, luteinizing hormone, and FSH, follicle-stimulating hormone. These hormones travel all the way down to the testicles, kicking off the process of sperm production. 2. Hormones activate the testicles. Once those hormones reach the testicles, testosterone production ramps up. This hormone is absolutely essential for sperm development. Without enough testosterone, your body can't produce healthy sperm. That's why hormonal imbalances can actually lead to fertility issues. 3. Sperm is made in tiny tubes. Inside each testicle are thousands of tiny, coiled tubes called seminiferous tubules. This is the real factory where sperm cells begin their journey. Here, immature sperm cells called spermatogonia start to divide and multiply in a complex process known as spermatogenesis. 4. Sertoli cells. The sperm coaches surrounding those sperm cells are special support cells called Sertoli cells. Think of them as the personal trainers of the sperm world. They provide nutrients and protection, guiding the sperm through each stage of development until they're strong and mature enough to move on. 5. Leydig cells and testosterone production. Meanwhile, Leydig cells in the testicles work behind the scenes to produce testosterone. Without these cells, the whole sperm creation process would come to a halt. They're like the engine that keeps everything running smoothly. 6. It takes over 2 months to make sperm. Surprisingly, creating sperm isn't a quick process. From start to finish, it takes about 64 to 72 days for a sperm cell to fully mature. That's over 2 months of non-stop development before it's even ready to be used. 7. The epididymis. Sperm boot camp. Once sperm are made, they move into the epididymis, a long, coiled tube located behind each testicle. This is where they learn to swim and gain the ability to fertilize an egg. It's like a boot camp for sperm, lasting about 2 weeks. 8. Sperm travels during ejaculation. When ejaculation happens, sperm travel from the epididymis through the vas deferens, mixing with fluids from the prostate and seminal vesicles to form semen. From there, the semen is released through the urethra and out of the body. It's a well-coordinated system that works in just seconds. 9. Lifestyle affects sperm quality. Believe it or not, your diet, stress levels, sleep, and exercise all affect sperm health. Smoking, excessive alcohol, tight clothing, and heat can lower sperm count and quality. Taking care of your overall health goes a long way in supporting fertility. 10. Only one makes it. Here's the wild part. During ejaculation, hundreds of millions of sperm are released, but only one will ever make it to the egg. The odds are slim, but that one winner carries half the genetic blueprint for a brand new human life. Pretty incredible, right? The process of creating sperm is one of the most complex and fascinating systems in the human body. From brain signals to hormonal control, to cellular teamwork and months of preparation, it's a true biological masterpiece. So next time you think about the human body, just remember, there's a microscopic army being created in the background every second of every day. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload from Peak 10 Health. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.